Film Festival is #1. Yay!
This is gonna be the best.
Yeah, oh yeah. It's going to be a good film festival.
Batman.
Oh, we want to take a picture? The flash is going to fade my dress. What are you talking about?
Come on.
No, I really don't want to. Every time I smile, I get a wrinkle. What are you talking about?
Come on. That's all right.
But listen to me. I'm telling you that I have to struggle just like you. It's not always easy, not always easy. I'm telling the truth, I'm telling the truth. I'm no goody two-shoe. I'm no goody two-shoe. I'm no goody two-shoe. I just want to tell you, I'm no goody two-shoe. I'm no goody two-shoe.
Hi, Molly.
Oh, hi.
See you later, alligator.
Here comes the nerd.
Don't cry, Harvey. You want to ask her out, why don't you?
Who are you?
I'm your fairy godfather.
But look at me, I'm a nerd.
Well, let's do something about it. First, we'll get you some new threads and a new look.
Okay.
Hot. Haven't seen you around.
Wow, I like your jacket. Where'd you get it?
At the Galleria. Can I walk you home?
Sure.
You gotta look sharp. You gotta look sharp, sharp, sharp.
Turn me on. I just need your body, baby. From dusk till dawn. You don't need experience to turn me on. You just leave it all up to me. I'm gonna show you what it's all about. Don't have to be rich to be my girl. You don't have to be cool to rule my world. Ain't no particular sign I'm more compatible with. I just want your extra time and your kiss. You got to not talk dirty, baby. And if you won't impress me.
We sent Mayor Tom Bradley a copy of our first film festival here at Nightingale, and now we'd like to ask him how he felt about it.
The kids were terrific. There was lots of action, drama, and my favorite, romance. Loved those hugs and kisses. Who's the geek responsible for this?
Gleason,
That guy's a real dork.
do you think we'll win any awards?
I hope so. My favorite was the first kiss.
Did you notice that I was in some of the films?
You're quite a ham. Speaking of a ham, I'm hungry.
Me too. Well, bon appetit.
Boy, what a day.